Let's have Leo for the first week of May. Let's see if what's the energy. Meron kang goal this first week of May. And if meron kang focus, makakuha mo yung goal. Meron ako nakikitang success. But right now, yung success is hindi pa siya nangyayari kasi nasa isip mo pa lang siya. It's like an idea as of the moment. And by the first week of May, magsa-start ng mangyari yung pinaplano mo. Merong mga opportunities na parating. But the problem is, wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. Like, you don't trust fully yourself. And magiging uncertain yung plans if ever na hindi ka masyadong nagtitiwala sa sarili mo, and parang may sudden change akong nakita. Sudden shift of energy because wala kang tiwala sa iyong sarili. So, we have the Six of Wands dito. So, yun nga, tiwala sa sarili kasi with the High Priestess, parang may sudden shift sa energy na medyo alanganin ka kasi. May hesitation ako nakikita. And then, we have the Six of Wands. May progress, but put confidence on what you're planning to do this first week of May, Leo. Kumbaga, wag ka na mag-alangan kasi mangyayari naman siya eh. Just put confidence on it. Let's see. Okay, so magiging uncertain ulit. Ayan, kasi kailangan mo nang gumawa ng desisyon sa buhay. Ito, confidence. Confidence ulit. Wala ka talagang confidence, Leo. I don't know why. Confidence, then take actions. Huwag ka na mag-hesitate kung ano man yung pinaplano mo this first week of May. Don't hesitate to do it. Kasi magiging unstable siya. So, kumbaga, just do whatever you want to do now. Like, ano ba yan? Is it your plan to invest? Or plan to travel? Yeah, kasi summer ngayon, di ba? Summer ngayon eh. So, plan to travel or ano ba, meron ka bang balak bilhin na feeling mo matagal mo na siyang dapat bilhin kasi, di ba, like, deserve mo naman. Okay, so we also have here the, yeah, eto na nga, we have here the Ace of Pentacles. So, this is the right time to take action. Ayan. Grabe yung Leo. So, puro siya actions, puro siya confidence, making decisions, okay? So, we have here actions, Ace of Pentacles, confidence, make decisions, Eight of Cups. We also have Six of Wands. Parang matagal mo na itong pinagtatrabahuhan. So, kailangan mo na siyang gawin. And trust yourself. Yeah, kasi magiging uncertain siya eh. Pwedeng magbago yung energy with a High Priestess. So, imbis na maganda na sana siya, then hindi na siya magiging successful or hindi na mangyayari. Kasi nga, wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. And then we have here the Page of Pentacles. Of course, success is coming. Great success is coming. Okay. And then, yeah, I guess this is to wrap up our cards right now. We have here the Nine of Pentacles. After all your sacrifices, you enjoyed the results, which is good results naman siya. So, yun. Yeah, so that's it. Diba? So, yan lang naman yung ating mga cards right now. So, comment down below guys kung gusto nyo ng ano pang mga zodiac yung gusto nating i-read, okay? And if you have questions, you can PM me. I have my TikTok account, Armani Neo. So, we do private readings, okay? So, for our private readings, we offer, for inquiries, mag-ano na lang kayo, mag-message kayo. Yeah. So, our private reading is 50 pesos per question. That's only for the exchange of energy. And then, yeah, you can message me and ask questions there on our TikTok account. Yeah, thank you so much guys sa panonood. And we'll have another zodiac. So, saan magko-comment? Dito kayo magko-comment sa baba for the next zodiac na i-read natin for the first week of May. Bye-bye!